I had a question pop up in one of my other videos about the power supply and why I mounted it the way around I mounted it. So I thought I'd make a quick video explaining why I did it and the benefits of having it that way. The specific power supply I have is the Corsair RM850X, and the fan doesn't spin at all until you reach a certain wattage. So the whole time that it's not spinning, it's sitting there, fan down, with the heat building up inside. And that's the question the person had: shouldn't you mount it the other way around so that the heat can slowly raise into your case and get blown out? And that is an option, but it's not the best option, because when it's upside down like that, the heat will be going into your case when the fan isn't spinning, and that all that'll be doing is heating up everything else inside your case. So when you have it down the way, it'll sit there accumulating a little bit of heat inside itself, but when it gets hot enough, or when it needs the fan to come on because of the wattage, it'll suck the cold air in from underneath your case and blow it out the back. Whereas if you have it the other way around, and the fan's now up the way, you've got your power supply here with the fan, a small space, and then you've got your graphics card. So when this is producing heat, it's going up into your case, making everything hot, and eventually when it does need to kick the fan in, it's going to be trying to suck hot air back in, but you've got your graphics card sandwiched not far above it, also trying to suck in air from the bottom, so it's sucking air up, power supply is sucking air down, they're fighting each other for warm air, and you don't want to be cooling your components with warm air, you want to be cooling them with cool air. So that's the reason that I have mine the way it is. And I mean, Corsair give you a 10-year warranty with these devices. They understand the fan doesn't come on till it needs to come on. So just, if you can, mount it down the way. The only reason I would ever advise not mounting it down the way is if you have to have your case sitting on top of quite a plush carpet, so there'll be no room between the bottom of your case and the carpet, then you're not going to get any airflow. It's not going to suck any air in, it's just going to suck the carpet in, overheat and die. And that's what I had with my old case. It used to sit on the carpet, and it was quite a plush carpet. It sunk straight down into it. So all I did to get around it was to cut some wooden strips and put them between the legs so that it raised it up a little bit, so that when the fan was spinning and it was sucking air in, there was enough clearance that it was getting cool air underneath, and it wasn't messing with the fans or the carpet at all. That's just a quick demonstration to show you what I mean. This is the fan at the top, so if you had it this way and it was sucking the hot air in, it would be taking the hot air from the case and blowing it out the back. If you have it this way around, you'd be sucking the air in from the carpet and blowing it out the back, or the table, or wherever your power supply is. So there you go, nice and quick. I hope it made sense. I hope it helped some of you out. If it does, hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.